Book of Heaven, Volume 12, November 28th, 1920. When Jesus wants to give, he asks. Effects of the blessing of Jesus. I was thinking of when my sweet Jesus, to give start to his sorrowful passion, wanted to go to his mama to ask for her blessing. And blessed Jesus told me,
"My daughter, how many things this mystery reveals. I wanted to go to my dear mama to ask for her blessing, in order to give her the occasion to ask herself too for my blessing. Too many were the pains that she was to bear, and it was right that my blessing would strengthen her. It is my usual way that whenever I want to give, I ask, and my mama understood me immediately, so much so that she did not bless me before she asked me for my blessing. And after she was blessed by me, she blessed me herself. But this is not all. In order to create the universe, I pronounced one fiat, and by the fiat alone I reordered and embellished heaven and earth. In creating man, my omnipotent breath infused life in him. In giving start to my passion with my omnipotent and creative word, I wanted to bless my mama. But it was not her alone that I blessed. In my mama I saw all creatures. She was the one who had primacy over everything, and in her I blessed all and each one. Even more, I blessed each thought, word, act, etc. I blessed each thing that was to serve the creature. Just as when my omnipotent fiat created the sun, and this sun, without decreasing in light or in heat, keeps following its course for all and for each of the mortals, in the same way my creative word, in blessing, remained in the act of blessing always, without ever ceasing to bless, just as the sun will never cease to give its light to all creatures. But this is not all yet. With my blessing, I wanted to renew the qualities of creation. I wanted to call my celestial Father to bless in order to communicate power to the creature. I wanted to bless her in my name and of the Holy Spirit in order to communicate to her wisdom and love, and therefore renew the memory, the intellect, and the will of the creature, restoring her as sovereign of everything. Know, however, that in giving I want. And my dear mama understood, and she immediately blessed me, not only for herself, but in the name of all. Oh, if all could see this blessing of mine, they would feel it in the water they drink, in the fire that warms them, in the food they take, in the sorrow that afflicts them, in the moans of prayer, in the remorses of guilt, in the abandonment of creatures. In everything they would hear my creative word saying to them. But unfortunately it is not heard. I bless you in the name of the Father, of myself, the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. I bless you to help you. I bless you to defend you, to forgive you, to console you. I bless you to make you a saint. And the creature would echo my blessings by blessing me too in everything. These are the effects of my blessing, and my church, instructed by me, echoes me, and in almost all circumstances, in the administration of the sacraments and others, she gives her blessing.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.